Hi, Marley. It's at the computer. Hi, little girl. Aw, you're so cute. Hi, Isabel. Isabel from Mexico. How's it going, Marley? Hey. Hello, cutie pie. Hi, Pasha with the big ears. Oh, there's everybody. Hello. Oh, somebody must be here. Don't teach the little one to bark. She's quiet. Yeah. Oh, is it playtime? You don't know what to make of those doggies when they play like that, do you, little one? Hi, Marley. You on the computer? Yeah. Okay. Did you say bye-bye, Marley? What, you get an itchy tail? Okay, bye-bye.